Wyoming's Q Creek Ranch sits on 560,000 acres in south central part of the state. From the open plains and desert to the aspen-covered Shirley Mountains, the scenery is unparalleled. Hosting our Precision Hunters Clinic at the ranch gives our clients access to fantastic scenery, accommodations, and wildlife viewing. The range is a short 15-minute drive to the base of the Shirley Mountains, offers challenging Wyoming winds, and provides learning opportunities for even the seasoned shooters. Prairie dogs cover the ranch and make for a unique training opportunity that is both exciting and challenging. These prairie dog hunts reinforce the fundamentals of marksmanship with a small and fleeting target. It is the perfect chance for hunting partners to hone their dialogue and shooter-spotter cohesion. The variety of terrain and weather at Q Creek offer a realistic western hunting experience. Each of our clinics offer a steel safari that allows our students to approach each and every shot as if it was the shot of a lifetime. We demonstrate how the proper adaptation of modern hunting gear and the evolution of the student's mindset will bring more success in the field.
I've got a couple sheep hunts coming up, which is going to require a better skill set than what I possessed before I got here, so it was invaluable.
The gained knowledge and experience will change how you approach the hunt, from the stalk to the shot. There are hunters, and then there are killers. Which do you want to be?
You dropped him, dude. Good shot.